Yes friends, so we are continuing with question number 7, in which I have just discussed about that 12 men with 13 boys can earn rupees 326.25 in 3 days, and 5 men with 6 boys can earn rupees 237.50 in 5 days. Then we have to find out that in what time will 3 men with 4 boys earn rupees 210. Now what we are doing, we have to find out that what is the 1 day earning of this man and these men and these boys. So first is 12 men and 13 boys 1 day earning. How can we calculate that? This is 3 days earning. 3 days earning dividing by 3. This amount is divided by 3 will obtain. But what is 1 day earning of these 12 men and 13 boys? This is 108.75, equation number 1. In second equation, similarly, 5 men plus 6 boys can earn rupees 237.50 in 5 days. So in 1 day they can earn 47 dividing by 5, 47.50. Why? Because 5 4 are 20, 3 remaining, 3 remainder, so 37, 5 7 are 35 and 2 remainder, so 25, so 5 5 are 29. Okay, so this is the value. Now if we have to earn, if 1 rupee is to be earned in 1 day, then how many people will be required, how many persons will be required? Divide by this 1 day earning. If I divide by this 1 day earning, which is number of people, then we can say that rupee 1, this much rupee is earned by these people in 1 day. What is 1 day earning of rupee 1? So rupee 1 can be earned if I divide this whole value by this number of, this amount. Okay, so then similarly from the second equation we can find out 1 day earning of rupee 1 dividing by this amount is this. So from first and second we can say now, from first and the second we get 12 men plus 13 boys divided by 108.75 is equal to 5 men this plus 6 boys divided by 47.50. Okay, now if I divide it by some more values, let me divide by 5 in the denominator because they are divided by 5. This is 5 to the 10, 5 1 to 5, 3 carry 37, 5 7 are 35, and 2 remaining, so 5 5 just 25, 5 times. This is 5 9 are 45, 2 carry 5 5 are 25, 0 to 9.50. Yet further divided by 5, let me check it. It divided by 5 also. This is 5 4 are 20, 5 4 are 20, 1 carry 5 3 are 15, 5 3 are 15. Well, it was here 17, so 2 carry 5 5 25. Then 5 1 are 5 and 4 carry 5 9 are 45, 1.90. Okay, so now let me cross multiply them. So after cross multiplication, let me find out, this is 1 day's earning of rupee 1. This much number of people will be required from both ways. Okay, so therefore this equation can be cross multiplied. So 12 men into 1.90, this man 1.9 into this 12 men multiplied, and this 5 men into this will be taken to the side, left hand side, which will be negative. So 5 into this is 4.35 number of men equal to boys. Let me take the boys to other side. This is 6 boys, 6 into 4.35, right? And minus sign, it will be 13 into 1.9, 1.90 into 13. This is boys. Now let me find their differences. And after multiplication, multiplying this 12 0 0, 12 9 ja 108, 8 10 carry 12 ja 12 and 10 20, 22.80, minus sign, 5 5 5 get 25, 2 carry, 5 3 15 to 17, 7 1 carry, 5 4 get 20 and 1 21. This is m is equal to, let me multiply these, this is boy. 6 5 ja 30, 0 3 carry, 6 3 ja 18, 3 21, 2 carry, 6 4 ja 24 and 2 26, 1 3 1 0 minus this 13 0 0, 39 ja 117, 7 11 carry, that means ja 13 and 11 24. Okay, so this is the value. Now difference is what? 0 minus 5 is 5, 1 carry 0 point and 1.05 into m is equal to this difference. This is boy and 0 minus 0 0, 11 minus 7 4 point, 1 carry, 6 minus 5 is 1.40. Okay, so therefore b upon m, if I take, let me take b upon m here. b upon m is equal to this 1.05 divided by 1.40. Cancel out these decimals. It is 105 divided by 140. Now if I divide it by 5, 5 2 ja 521 times 5 2 ja 10, 4 5 it is 40. Again 7 3 ja 21, 7 4 ja 28, 3 upon 4. It is 3 by 4. So finally the value relationship between man and boy has come out as b upon m is equal to 3 upon 4. Okay, this is equation number 3rd. Now if I substitute this value of boys in terms of men, then we can find the earning, that what is the earning of one man. Let me take from first equation, that 12 men plus 13 boys, earning of these boys is equal to how much? That was 108 one day earning. This is 1 day earning of these people was 108 because 1 3 divided this 3 1 is 3 8.37 ja 21 and 3 5 is 50. This was the value because 3, this is 3 1 is 3 0, 3 is 24, 2 27 22, so 3 7 is 21. Okay, 3 5 is 50. All right. Now put the value of b here. This is 12 men plus this is from equation number. This we calculated from equation number 1. I think from equation 1 we have earning of, this is earning of 1 day earning. This is earning of 1 day. Earning of 1 day of these people. We are calculating 12 men and 13 boys. 1 day earning by this much. Now if I have to find out the value of men only, that how much men will earn, that I have to just multiply this b. B is 3 by 4 into m equal to 108.75. Okay, this is 13 3 is 39 and 12 4 is 48, right, plus 39 divided by 4 m is equal to 108.75. Therefore m is equal to 108.75 divided by 8 plus 9 17. 8 plus 9 17, 1 carry 87. 87 here, this is 4. Okay, I think this is divided by 5 here. 39 4 4 4 okay, 12 4 the 48, so 48 plus 39 m is equal to this value. So this will be 4 multiplied to this. Now let me multiply this by 4. It will be 4 5 to 20, 0 2 carry, 4 7 is 28 to 30, 0 3 carry, 4 8 is 32 and 3 35. Completed 35 here and 4 is 4 435, 0.00 divided by 87. Now if I multiply this by 5, this divided by 5. How? 5 5 is 37, sorry, 5 7 is 35, 5 3 carry, 5 is 43, 43, okay, so 5 here. So M is equal to rupees 5. So 1 day earning of one man. One day earning of a man is equal to rupees 5. Okay, we can find boys earning also, but we will do that. What is this earning of finally consummate that 3 men with 4 boys. Therefore 3 men plus 4 boys, this 1 day earning of these. Therefore 1 day earning of 3 men plus 4 boys equal to, if I convert this man boys into men, this is 4 into 3 by 4 men. This is 9 men. The reason is 4 cancel out. This is 3m plus 3m equal to 9 men, and 1 man's earning was rupees 5, so this is 9 into 5, 45. So 1 day earning of these people is, these people, 3 men plus this, equal to 45 rupees. And what is this earning here? If I multiply it by 7, okay, no, not 7, by 5, 4 is 16, no, 5 is 28, is it right value? 3 is 9, 9 5 is 45, 4 cancel out. And if I put the boys earning, what is boys earning here? If I put here 5, value of 5, that's 15 upon 4. If I put 15 upon 4, the earning, 3 men into 5, because rupees 5 is earning of 3 men, so 15, and 4 boys. 4 boys can earn, 4 cancel out, 15 rupees more, right? That will be rupees 30, I think. Let me take that what is the earning here. So 1 boys, here we can find that what is the earning of a boy. So B is equal to 3 by 4 into 4. M is 5, so this is 3 into 5 upon 4. So rupees, this much 15 upon 4 is the earning of a boy, right? So therefore 3 men plus 4 boys, 3 men into 5, because 1 day earning of 3 men is 5, or 1 day earning of men is 5 rupees, so 5 3 is 15, and 4 into is 15 by 4, 4 cancel out. It comes out to be, let's say 15 plus 15, 30 rupees. It is rupee 30. So 1 day earning of 3 men and 4 boys is rupees 30. Now 210 is earning of, for how many days? This is 1 day earning is rupees 30. Therefore we can now find out. This implies that 1 day earning of 3 men plus 4 boys is equal to rupees 30. Therefore rupees 210 upon 30 is equal to 7 days. So this is 7 days earning. Okay, so this is 7 days earning. So time is 7 days. This is the answer here. Hence we can say, hence rupees 210 is the earning of 3 men plus 4 boys of 7 days. So 7 days is the answer. What a point. In this way we can find out that what is the earning of these people. Okay, let us now calculate question number 8 now. What is question number 8? Let me talk about that also. What is question number 8? Question question number 8 says, let me write given. What is question number 8? 8 says that A, B and C together earn rupees 1350. What is given? A, B and C together earn rupees 1350. Rupees 1350 in 9 days. In 9 days. And what is the other thing? A and C together earn rupees 470. A and C together earn rupees, how much? Earn rupees 470 in 5 days. In 5 days, 470 in 5 days. Okay, B and C together earn how much of these? Together earn rupees 760. Rupees 760 in how many days? In 10 days. In 10 days. If we check together in 470, it was 470 in 5 days. Okay, and B and C together and rupees 760 in 10 days. Find the daily earning of C. Find here daily earning of C. This is the question here, solution. Now see here, I wrote the question. Now here, one day earning of A plus B plus C, all the three. So 1350 is earned in 9 days, so it will be 1350 upon 9. It is 9 into 9, 4, 9, 5, 45, 150. Rupees 150 is the earning of all the three, A plus B plus C. And second is A plus C. And A plus C is 1 day earning. 1 day earning is equal to how much? This is 470 upon 5. 5 9 is 45 and 2 5 2 is 10. Yeah? 5 9 is 45, 2 5 4 is 20, sorry. 5 4 is 20. Right? It is not 10 but it is 20 remaining. 2 is the remainder because it was 45 and 47. Okay. 94 is the second equation. And what is B plus C? B plus C. And B plus C is 1 day earning. And B plus C is 1 day earning is equal to 760 upon 10 is equal to 76 rupees. Okay, this is third equation. Now we have to find out what is C's earning. C's earning here. Right now A plus B plus C total earning, B plus C's earning, and A plus C, B plus C. Okay, this C is coming in all the three. Now if I find out what is the A plus B plus C difference, A plus C if I cancel out, and B's earning can be calculated, then B plus C A's earning can be calculated, B's and A's earning can be calculated, then we can find out that what is, let me do it here. So subtracting, this is A plus B plus C. Solution we are calculating. Now here A plus B plus C is earning and this is A plus C is earning. So B is 1 day earning. We have to find out. This is 1 minus this first equation minus this is B's earning second equation. That means 150 minus 94. Only B's earning is 0. Sorry, 0, 10 minus 4 is 6, we'll carry 10, 15 minus 10 is 5, only 56. So rupees 56 is the earning of B. Then A's earning, A's 1 day earning equal to 1 minus first equation minus third equation. This will be plus C's earning, third equation. That will be, let me write here, 150 minus this 76. It will give us 0 minus 6 is 4, I mean 10 minus 6 is 4, we will carry 8, 15 minus 8 is 7, 15 minus 8, 74. This is 1 day earning of A and B's earning is calculated. Now these, sum of these two can be cancelled out from first equation. Therefore A plus B's earning, therefore A plus B's 1 day earning, A plus B's 1 day earning is equal to this 56 plus 74. A is 74 plus B is 56. Adding them is 6 plus 4, 10, 0, 1 carry, 7 plus 5, 12, 1, 30, 130. Subtracting it from 150, so 20 rupees is the earning of C. So C is earning, therefore this is equation number, we take fourth one. Therefore C is earning, because we have to find out what is C is earning. Therefore C is 1 day earning. C is 1 day earning is equal to A plus B plus C is earning minus A plus B is earning, 1 day earning. So this is 150 minus this is 130 equal to rupees 20 only. So C's 1 day earning is rupees 20 only. Therefore C's 1 day earning, C's 1 day earning equal to rupees 20. This is the answer. Okay, question number 8 we have completed. Now question number 9, let me talk about. Question number 9, what is given to us? Let me first read it. Now it says 3 men plus 4 boys. Okay, 3 men plus 4 boys with 4 boys. With 4 boys. This is 4 boys. 3 men, yeah, with 4 boys can earn rupees. This is can earn rupees. How much? 756 in 7 days. In 7 days. One thing. Then 11 men bid. 11 men bid, let me take. And 11 men bid and 13 boys. If 13 boys can earn how much rupees? Can earn rupees 3008. 3008. Yeah, 3008 in 8 days. In 8 days. Then find out in what days, what time will 7 men with 9 boys can earn rupees this much. To find here in what time bill 7 men plus 9 boys can earn or will earn rupees 2480 rupees 2480 in how many days? Okay, so that we have to calculate here. With 9 boys, okay, 7 men plus 9 boys, can earn in how many days this much money. Solution here. Again, we have to find out 1 day earning. 1 day earning of how many men? Is 3 men plus 4 boys. 3 m plus 4 boy is equal to 756 upon 7. It is 7 minus 7, 0, 7, 8 is 56, 108. This is equation number 1. And 1 day earning, of how many men? 13 boys, so it is 11 men plus 13 boys is equal to, in 1 day, is rupees 3008 upon 8. 1 day earning. So this is 8 4 ja, sorry, 8 3 ja 24, 8 3 ja 24, 6 carry, 8 7 ja 56, 4 carry, 8 6 ja 48, 376 rupees. Equation number 7. Now, in 1 day, if 1 rupee is to be earned, then dividing by this 1 day's earning to this number of men, how many persons will be required to earn 1 rupee in 1 day? So this number of people is divided to be by 108. This is for 1 day. Then we can equate them. Let me just find out. Okay, this is solution we are calculating. Solution here. Okay, solution. So okay, so the number of persons to earn rupee 1 in 1 day from equation first and second. We get, दोनों को we have to equate them. This is 3 men plus 4 boys divided by 108 is equal to 11 men plus 13 boys divided by 376. Got the point? 376. Okay, 3 7 10 and 6 16. Is it cancelled out by no? By 4 I think it is cancelled out by 4, because 4 9 is 36 here. So 4 2 is 8, 2 carry 28, 4 7 is 28, 4 7 is 28, right? And then yeah, 4 7 is 28. So this is 4 9 is 36, 1 carry, 4 4 is 16. This again, no, now it is not cancelled out, no problem. Let me multiply this. So this is 94 into 3, cross multiply. This is 3 into 94. Okay, minus sign. If I take this 11 into 27, this is men equal to boys. So 4 into 94 minus 13. Okay, I'm sorry. This is with minus sign, this is plus sign. 13 into 27 boys. Okay, try to understand. 3m 94 minus 11 into 27, yeah. Then take this 4m to that side. 4 into 94 will be negative. This is negative sign and this is positive sign. Okay, so let me further solve them. Let me now solve them here. So we get here, this is positive value, let me take. So this is 11 into 27 minus, if I take minus sign before, it will be 3 into 94 into n equal to, now this is 94 into, this will be positive, 94 into 4 minus sign, it will be negative now. Minus sign are taking common.